Last month, my friend got his salary $3,000 credited. We went out for dinner. Good food, good vibes, everything normal. Then 10 days later, he texts me, "Bro, I have $100 left. I don't even buy anything big." And that's when it hits you. There were no big purchases, no luxury shopping, no crazy spending. So, where did the money go? And here is the scary part, this isn't his problem. This is almost everyone's problem. You earn, money comes in. For a few days, life feels under control. Then suddenly, rent gone, bills gone, subscription, food, random expenses, and before you even realize, your bank balance looks like it got hacked. But here is the truth nobody tells you. You don't have an income problem. You have a system problem. Because no one ever taught us what to do after money comes in. So today, I'll fix that. In the next few minutes, I'll show you a simple rule. So powerful that once you use it, you will never wonder where your money went again. It's called the 50-30-20 rule. And trust me, this might be the simplest financial upgrade of your life. Let's get into it. Before we go any further, keep in mind that this only works if you use the right number. Everything we are talking about today is based on your take-home pay, the money that actually lands in your account after taxes, not your salary on paper. The real number is what hits your bank. Now imagine your income as a pie. Just one simple circle. We are going to slice it into 3 parts. And once you see those 3 slices, you will never look at your paycheck the same way again. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings and debt. The 50% needs. Half of your take home, 50%, goes towards your needs in the system. Rent or your mortgage, grocery, electricity, health insurance, basic transportation to get to the work. These are the things that keep your life running. And if any of them disappear, everything gets hard fast. Here is the cleanest way to define it. A need is something you genuinely cannot function without. This is where people justify things they can't afford. Let me make it very clear. Needs do not include your streaming subscriptions or dining out. Not even the orders you place on the delivery app you open every night. Those feel necessary, but they are not. And that distinction, that's where most people's budget quietly collapse. Add up your true, unavoidable expenses. That number should land across 50% of your take-home. If it's higher, something's eating more than its fair share. The 30% wants. Now the fun parts begin. 30% goes for your wants. Eating out on Fridays, a weekend trip, new clothes, that hobby that make you feel like human being outside, the work hours. Wants are valid. Wants matter without a doubt. A financial plan with zero enjoyment built in it is a plan you're going to abandon in 3 weeks. But here is the problem. Most people think they are already doing this right. They are not. Dinner date, dinner here, a subscription there, an impulse buy you barely remember. And suddenly, your wants have silently swallowed your entire paycheck and you have no idea where it went. Here is a quick question. Do you track your spendings right now? Yes or no? I pull up last month's bank statement, highlight everything that wasn't strictly necessary. The number might genuinely shock you. And then there is the part most people avoid. This is where future you either thanks present you or resents it. Picture 3 buckets. Your 20% fill all 3. Bucket 1, emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of essential expenses sitting somewhere accessible. Not invested, not locked away, but liquid. Because when life hits unexpectedly, you want cushions, not crises. Bucket 2, high interest debts. Credit cards, personal loans, and anything charging you double-digit interest are costing you money every single day you carry them. Paying that off is like earning that same interest rate guaranteed. Bucket 3, retirement. Start now. Even small amounts invested consistently over time compound into something enormous. Most people delay this, and it's the most expensive mistake they make. So, there it is. 50% to needs, 30% to wants, 20% to savings and debt. Simple framework. But here is what almost nobody actually does. They never sit down and run their own numbers. Here is your one action. Open any notes app where you Write down your monthly take home and split it 50, 30, 20. Then look at last month's real spending. See the gap. That gap, that's where your financial life changes. Most people will see it and ignore it. If you act on it, your life looks very different 12 months from now. Thanks for watching this video. Do you know someone who needs to hear this? Share it to them right now. Subscribe for more such videos. See you in the next one.